we are. Here we are.
Hi. Can I say hi?
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So we are having a little afternoon tea party, although we're not having any tea, right? We're gonna have a keto chow instead of tea. I mean, when you could have tea or keto chow, which one would you choose?
Keto chow.
Keto chow. And so this flavor came out a month or so ago, and I still have not tried it. It's been sitting here waiting for us to try, and Renee is the biggest keto chow fan of all time. Oh, you are too. She's always asking if we could make a keto drink. And so finally we are sitting down and we are going to taste Serious Keto's pecan sticky bun of ultimate awesomeness. I have heard such good things about this flavor. I have to say the smell is pretty fantastic. So we're gonna try that. Also, we were sent some goodies to taste from Chipmunk Baking. We tasted some of their stuff in a video recently, and they sent us a little bit more to try. They do like a rotating flavor of sandwich cookies. And so they sent us some of their current flavors to try. There's, listen to this, vanilla caramel sandwich cookies and chocolate caramel sandwich cookies. They do have eggs, so Levi's not gonna have any. He's just gonna have some of the keto chow, but he actually did eat one of his Chipmunk vegan cookies that have no eggs this morning. So he already had his cookie for the day, but he's gonna enjoy some of the keto chow with us, right?
I want some right now.
All right, so let's do the keto chow first, and then we'll open up the cookies and give those a taste.
This one.
All right, we did this with butter, which makes sense for a sticky bun. Do you guys need straws, or just gonna drink it?
I want to do straws.
Okay,
I will
grab-
get some.
go
I
grab
need
some.
straws.
Okay.
Okay, Mom, do you want one?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'll grab two. Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, it looks so good.
I'm gonna go into this. Levi gets red.
We'll put it all in there.
Levi gets red.
Okay.
Blue. And Mom gets.
Gotta get every last drop.
We can't waste a
hold
bit.
on.
We can't waste a bit.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we
Yeah,
go.
Levi, don't
Dink.
try it yet.
You wanna dink it? You wanna dink it? You wanna dink it? There we go. Okay.
It's so good.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, cinnamon is like the overwhelming flavor, but it does taste like a baked good. Like the flavor tastes like a sweet sticky bun. Like the good job, Steve.
I'm gonna eat 3 of these every day. They're so good.
Of course, we put the butter in there, which enhances the pecan sticky bun flavor, which is the right choice. Oh my gosh, Levi? You've almost finished it. Is it good? But you haven't said what you think.
It's so good.
It's so good? What does it taste like?
It does taste like butter.
It tastes like butter?
Yes.
That's good, because we like butter around here, don't we?
I finished.
Wow, that was so fast. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm sipping it because I want to just enjoy it.
It's so good.
Okay. Yeah. All right, you finish drinking yours while Renee and I check out these cookies. Okay,
Wait, so like this vanilla chocolate? Can I also have this too?
Yeah, this one's chocolate. Let's see, chocolate caramel sandwich cookie.
Are you going to be done?
I am going to drink it. Don't you drink my drink? Vanilla caramel cookie sandwich. You want to do the chocolate first?
Yeah. Might be a sandwich.
It is a sandwich, a cookie sandwich. All right, let's see.
It might have buns. It does have buns.
It has buns. Oh my goodness. It's sticky and gooey like caramel is supposed to be. Look at that. Look at that. All right, well, I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna break it open.
That's thicker
Yeah,
than
there's
I thought.
there's a chocolate chip in there. All right, let's see. Oh, look at that.
It looks so good.
Okay, you ready? I brought a knife, but it's so soft we can just break off pieces. You want that?
Not 4 pieces because I can have it.
That's right, you can't have it. Thank you for the one. Is that good?
Yeah.
You getting every single last drop? Yeah? All right, ready? Ready to dink it? Dink it.
It's so good.
Did you get it all? Excuse you, you're gonna take my drink? You little turkey. All right, caramel is spot on delicious. It's like the perfect gooey consistency.
And it doesn't even taste keto. It tastes like real caramel.
Yeah, it does. That's the magic of allulose. So the cookies are not like cake. You might think these would be like cake cookies, but they're not. They have
Keto cookies.
Keto what?
Keto cookies.
Keto cookies?
Yeah.
They're keto cookies. The cookie is a little bit grainy. It's not like super, well, it is soft, but it's not like super fluffy or cake like. They kind of taste
Like a brownie.
kind of like a brownie. That's a good description. Yeah. All right. They're so good. So they have caramel inside, but they also have a white filling inside, like an Oreo type frosting. All right, I can't eat more than that because I need to try some of this one, the vanilla one.
I love vanilla.
You do?
Yeah, we want
So
some.
these have, if you count total carbs and you count allulose in your total carbs, these are going to be a no-go for you because there's a lot of allulose. There's 33 total carbs, but 27 of them are allulose. I personally don't count allulose in my carbs. So that's just a personal preference thing. Dietary fiber, 4 grams. So that's not a ton. And then total sugar is 1 gram. And that's probably from the almond flour, I would guess. It has monk fruit as a sweetener and allulose as a sweetener.
What am I doing?
Are you drinking my drink still?
No, if you're breathing it, a lot of bubbles,
So you're breathing in my drink. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay.
If you're breathing it, so the bubbles pop down and then pops back up.
Okay. Thanks for breathing in my drink. I appreciate it. Oh, look at this, Renee.
Oh
That
my
looks
God.
amazing.
I'm gonna eat some of that.
Look at that. Let's see.
I think it looked that
Get that in
I
there.
wish I could eat some.
So here's the vanilla caramel cookie. Let's give it a break here.
Vanilla caramel?
Vanilla. It's a vanilla cookie with caramel. And then it also has the white frosting in the middle.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I want to try that.
I know.
Okay,
you ready for this?
is like this. Yes, I'm so ready.
So ready.
Everything.
Okay. Excuse you.
It seems like they put more of that white stuff in.
You think there's more frosting in this one?
Seems like it, and they're really thick.
They are.
This is my dinner.
Oh my goodness. All right, so chew on that for a second, and then we'll see which one we like best. Okay.
I wasn't drinking. I just wanted it.
Can you decide which one you like better, the chocolate or vanilla? You do? I think I kind of do too. I think it just enhances like the buttery caramel flavor.
I think this is too dark chocolatey.
Too dark chocolatey? I mean, it's good. I'm not going to complain about it, that's for sure. But I think I like the focus on the caramel flavor
It's
in
fat.
this one. I like it.
This is fat. I punched it. I punched it.
All right. So, Levi, how many thumbs up do you give the pecan sticky bun of ultimate awesomeness keto chow?
100.
100? Wow. You heard it here first, folks. 100 thumbs up. Renee, how many thumbs up do you give the pecan sticky bun of ultimate awesomeness keto chow?
99.
99? Why didn't you give it 100? What does it need to get 100 thumbs up from you?
It needs nothing. Actually, 100.
Oh, actually 100. You changed your mind, huh?
Yes.
Well, I definitely give it 100 thumbs up as well.
100 too.
Can you show 100 thumbs?
I can't.
You have to go like this 100 times. Okay, and then Renee, how many thumbs up do you give the chocolate caramel cookie?
7.
7 out of?
10. 100.
7 out of 100 is not very good.
Well, 10.
10 out of 100? Or 10 out of 10?
No, yeah, a 7 out of 10.
Oh, I see. 7 out of 10. Okay, and how much do you give the vanilla cookie?
Out
of 10. Let's do out of 10 again.
Out of 10. 10.
10 out of 10. All right, so 7 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I'm gonna say 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10. I mean, I can't give anything perfect because there's always room for something to be better, but it's pretty dang good.
There's no room for anything to be better.
You say this is perfect.
Yes.
I say it's pretty close to perfect keto chow.
Perfect.
Thanks for coming to our keto chow party instead of tea party. Renee's gonna eat the rest of the cookies. Levi, did you drink all of my drink yet?
No.
You left me just a tiny little sip.
No, we gotta
Meanie
have the
head.
red straw.
He switched straws and put it in my cup.
Mm.
Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you again in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye!
You're very loud in my ear.
I'm just gonna try to get a last drop of this.
Okay, go for it. Too bad I didn't get to have any. You guys drank it all up.
Well, you got to have stuff.
It's a good thing these had eggs in them, or else I wouldn't have even gotten to taste the cookies. Because Levi would have eaten them. After we finished our keto chow party, they decided to go outside and play farmer. So they got goat treats and their work gloves on, and they're playing farmer. I wonder how long it'll be until they realize that they're not playing farmer. They actually are farmers. Hey.
Hi.
What you doing?
Being farmers and pretend like this is food.
Food for us? Like for people?
Me too.
Nice.
We pick fresh leaves, and then we play after when we're done, and then but after that we do anything that we want to do.
Oh, because you work hard and then
Yeah.
you get to do what you want to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you give the goats their food?
Yep.
Oh, good.
And then wait, where is this?
Uh-oh. Did you leave it out there? You'll have to find your bucket of goat food. Oh, you know something else farmers do?
Huh?
They collect eggs.
Oh.
Maybe you should do that.
Hey, Mom. And also, and then after we do all the things that we want actually to do, we are done. We done, and then play.
Yay! Farmers can play too.
Yep.
Yep.
Only kid farmers can play.
Oh, no, any farmers can play.